If you're someone that is looking for remote jobs inside of Wellfound, in today's video, let me show you how you can find them. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video on how Genic. Wellfound has a separate option or a separate filter that you can add in so that only remote jobs are visible. So what you need to do is inside of the job section, make sure you add in the title, and right here you'll have the drop down menu of selecting the only remote jobs option. If that is what you want to see, make sure you select this option, or if you want to see or are flexible in doing full-time and location jobs as well, you can select the include remote jobs. But however, if you are only interested in remote jobs option, make sure you select this option, and then all of the results will start to show up. The way that you know that a job posting is remote is you'll be able to see it right in front of the job application. Some jobs may say on-site or remote, which means you have the flexibility of doing it on-site or even through a remote location. So you can just scroll through this page and take a look at all of the jobs that are being posted as well as the different company profiles. You can also add in further filters by clicking on the filters option, and you'll have the option of adding in your salary range, area of interest, your job description, and a few keywords as well. Once you fill in the filters and create a custom filter, you're going to get defined results based upon the type of job that you're trying to apply for. So that is the exact way that you find remote jobs inside of Wellfound. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.